Hi. As some of you may know, I've been doing a lot of research on AI, LLMs, generative AI, and different kind of verticals like that. One thing that I have discovered, very interesting, I don't think I have not at least heard this out there yet. So listen to the entire video. I think it will be very insightful for you. One thing I have discovered is that ChatGPT and these AI models are literally like children, like kids, right? That's it, simple as that. Now, traditionally, if you look at a child from birth to, let's say, 18 years, adulthood, or whatever we may call it, there is a process which we follow, right? So when the child is born, infant, they have no idea what the world is. So they first listen to, let's say, colors, they absorb colors, patterns, then maybe voices, and there is a growth pattern which happens, right? So depending on the environment and how well they're exposed to different things, cultures and all these things, at 18, you have an individual which forms, right? ChatGPT, if I take at a fundamental level, is no different. ChatGPT is a child, right? That's it. It's a child, right? Now, the biggest difference I see is that while traditional children grow from 0 to 18 in 18 years, ChatGPT is doing that in months, or maybe I would say weeks, right? That's what we are getting into. So, if we can understand the traditional language models of education, right, and how a child progresses step to step, that gives us a vast insight as to how LLMs also learn, right? Because the patterns are same, the neural networks all are fundamentally operating on a I would say similar or scale, but the fundamentals are still the same. So I have created a document using research. There was nothing like that, so I had to create everything on my own. It's a 11-page document. It gives stark parallels of what traditional education methodology is and how it can be infused into AI programming and how you can actually create your model. You can be used for ChatGPT, right? Let's say you sign up for ChatGPT and you have been using for 6 months. There is a training period which goes there, right? That becomes your model and how you train it and how you get it cultured, nurtured, and bring up to that 6 months level. So the exercise that I've done, I have created an amazing document, and that gives nice parallel insights of how what happens in the real world and how do you bring it into the AI world. It also has granular level examples of prompting, similarities prompting, how do you bring that, etc. So if you're interested in it, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Send me a DM and I will send the document over to you. In case I don't send it, just send me a nudge back again. I'll ensure that it comes to you. Follow me for more because I'm doing a lot of research on the different areas. I'm also trying to bring a lot of ancient things into, like, I think AI is that's the whole thing, right? It's intelligence, artificial intelligence, right? So intelligence primarily is a living thing. It's a living beings only had intelligence, but now how that is coming into machines. I think it's important to understand humans, where they came from, and how intelligence was built in humans. And I think there can be amazing insights and powerful ideas which can be fed into these machines, not in the way OpenAI does, but in the way how we train these models. That's where you and I come into the picture. And I think these documents, these groundbreaking white papers are going to be pivotal in that entire quest. So follow me and don't forget to subscribe and also send me that ping, the DM, and I'll definitely get it across to you. Thank you.